Hey guys, this is Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for March 15th, 2012. Well, volume was dry. Our range was tight. However, we did rally higher. If we look at the daily chart, and you just keep saying this, we've taken out a new high every day, right? So, I mean, we're kind of in no man's land if you look at the daily. If you look at the daily, then you look at the weekly. We're kind of in no man's land. You've got to find out where we have to go. You know, we need a target or resistance. So let's pull up the monthly and shrink it down a little bit. So this is my target, next target, 1411 in the futures. This is 1411. I think we can get up to here, 1441. That was my year-end target. Alex has a target about 1494, which is a Fibonacci level of 0.8633 from the low. So these are our targets. Today, another grind higher. 1400 will be huge. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and see what happened today. I did not take any trades in the minis again today, but I did take a trade in oil that worked out really well. So we opened up 13.90.75, double bottom right here, 13.87 quarter is the low. We got up to about 13.97.75, 7.5. So the 10-point range. We've had really tight ranges, this is why the VIX is staying so low. But for the most part, bullish activity all day. So tomorrow, critical levels, we have this 1397.5 we have to get through, which is the new all-time high for 2012. 1387.5, we have the 1383. Also to the upside, we have 1411, then 1440. I just took one trade in in oil. Let me just show you real quick. This one worked out like a champ. And I trade oil on the 5-minute and the breakout of the cloud. So we were a little weak this morning, got a little bit of buying pressure. We were in this cloud for a while, and I talked about it in the live trading room. I trade futures and equity options in the live trading room. Whenever we have a breakout of this cloud, I'm going to play it. I'm going to break out, and I want to see it close. And the stop is 10 cents above the high. So I sold right here on the close of this bar. I sold 105.59s. My stop was 11 cents above the high of the cloud. So my stop was 106.05. We got back into the cloud, above the cloud. We traded 106.03, the high of the day, 106.03. I got very, very lucky. I didn't get stopped out, and then it was good night, Elizabeth. My first target was 105.28, which is the three tails at the bottom here. And then my final target, if I looked at the daily, was 103.96. This is where we had a target right here. So I got filled on that, and that was a great trade in oil. I like to play the breakouts of the cloud, especially on the 5-minute bar in oil. One last chart I'm going to look at is Apple, just because it's all in the news, right? Huge breakout this morning. Talked about 600 level. I said it's going to 600. Every TV channel and every media presence I go to, it's traded 601 cent. Then selling pressure all day long. Got a little bounce off this 578 level. Critical levels in Apple, 578.5. Then we have 575.60. And then if we go to that, it's 568 and then 552. I am long Apple for tomorrow by being short put spreads. Let's go to the daily chart real quick and just look at Apple. So if I wanted to get short, very easy. I would short the close, have a stop above 601. If I want to get long, I would buy it here and have a stop under this bar, which is 575.40, which we just talked about. We violate this 575.40. We're seeing the high of this, 568. That is back to this range, right around this 544. What goes up can't go up forever. I'm long buy, selling, put spreads in weeklies for tomorrow. So I would like to see Apple above 583. Xander Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Remember, live trading room is up and open. If you want a free trial, email Alex@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. We'll be happy to grant you a free trial. Limited time only, to the rate of $199. I'm on the mic for about 5 hours, and Alex is on for an hour to an hour and a half. Have a great night, guys.